So here it is, little Greek fresh grill. Let me go try it out. See what this is about. There it is. So here's the food. There's chicken, salad on the side, looks pretty good. Got the rice underneath. Yeah, pretty good size meal. There's the see how big it is. Pita bread. There's chicken in there. I'm probably not gonna put that in the oven, but I'm gonna separate the chicken and the rice, put that in the oven real quick. That looks like a potato under there. And the bread, and I have some hummus down there. So there you go. I'll taste it. Yes, I'm watching Heroes season 3 over here. So, all right, I have all the food right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. That's good. So I don't eat Greek Mediterranean food often. So maybe that's why it tastes so good to me, but yeah. It tastes very good. Hold on, let me eat a bite of this chicken. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's some grilled chicken. Hold on. That's the rice. Rice tastes a little buttery, interesting. That's good too. It's like a potato. I'll wait on that. I think it's potato. Oh yeah, that's good. Holy crap! And I heard the salad is good. So. Oh yeah, this is a new spot, man. This is all good. Yeah, man, I'll give it like a 8 or 9 out of 10. I don't know. Between a 7, 8 or 9 out of 10. I don't really know. Like I said, I don't eat Greek food much, but Mediterranean food, I'm gonna start. But holy crap! And I have the hummus over here for the bread here. So, and my pita sandwich. It's all very good. So I highly recommend the restaurant. I think Little Fresh Greek Grill. So check them out. Thanks for watching.